3443 West 120th virtual tour. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath with a dining room. Very nice. Just got repainted with flooring. Big open floor plan here. So plenty of room. It also has a nice kitchen. Again, all new plugs, switches, lights, flooring. Got a dishwasher, gas or a stove, refrigerator all come with this. Let's go upstairs. Vinyl windows too. You got a 1-car garage with this also. Fenced in backyard with a patio, or deck I should say. Here's one of the bathrooms up here, so you got a full bath up here. This is one of the biggest bedrooms. Nice big size bedrooms here. You got this. I guess this one's a very good one too. This one's got a lot of room in it. All the bedrooms are upstairs, so you have a full bath. The other bathroom's in the basement. Here's one of the smaller bedrooms, but it's a nice bedroom. It's close to the freeways, everything. Just a nice, clean house. Central air also. So you can see it's nice. There's a dining room, living room, kitchen. Let's go down the basement here. Got a full basement. This one comes with a washer and dryer. Your washer and dryer. It's a brand new bathroom we just put in, as a big shower. So this is your other bathroom. And you have a bunch of room down here. So this is your virtual tour, 3443 West 120th. Awesome place. Thanks. Have a great day.